Chocolate and flowers is old school. This year, make your sweetheart a drink. I'll give you some ideas. Hey guys, Tom here. Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome back to the Grantham Pub Underground. On this show, I'm going to give you a couple ideas that you can make some cocktails for your special someone. If you're having a dinner at home or you're going out, you want to have something beforehand. These, I got 3 of them for you. They're going to be fun. They're going to be good. And hopefully it'll give you some ideas that you can share with your honey on Valentine's Day. First one is a raspberry martini. So what's Valentine's Day about raspberry martini? It's red. It's simple, and the cool thing about this drink is, really any drink, is you can tone it down to your taste, so it doesn't have to be super alcohol-y, or you can make it a little lighter, a little stronger. So that's 2 vodkas, 1 cranberry, about half a lemon. I got some seeds in there, but that's how you know it's fresh lemon. And then about 3/4 of raspberry syrup. Raspberry syrup we've made before. It's half a regular simple syrup, sugar and water, and then you just mash in some raspberries, let it steep, and then strain it. Couldn't be simpler. Get some ice. I did this backwards, but that's all right. And shake it up.
Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up.
You want it nice and cold. You could have shaken it, shook it, shaken it. It's like a broken record. Shaken, shaken, shaken. A little more if you like, but strainer. Oh, look at that. That's the perfect Valentine color. And then for a garnish, how about some I'm going to take one off. Some raspberries, extra credit. If you have a pirate sword, and there you have it, just as simple as that. Number 1 today for Valentine's Day, the raspberry martini. What if your honey is not a vodka drinker? What if they like whiskey? Well, I got something for that too. This drink I'm calling a Valentine hug. If clear liquor is a kiss, then certainly whiskey is a hug. And to start it off, we are going to need some bourbon. Where's my gin? Oh, I guess it's put away. Whoa, man overboard. Some bourbon. Followed by something we don't use much around here, sweet vermouth. Now I just took this out of the refrigerator because you should store your sweet vermouth in the refrigerator. Any kind of fortified wine, your vermouth, that kind of stuff, store in the fridge, you last longer. So we have some vermouth, we need some OJ. I just happen to have a little bit of OJ here. If you remember from our bar, if you remember from our bar shopping list, I keep my OJ in ice cubes in the freezer. That way I don't waste it, and then when I need just a little bit, I just defrost it in a cup. And I have it. And then some cranberry, an ounce of cranberry. And then finally, just a touch of simple syrup, about half as much simple syrup, because it's Valentine's Day. Sweets for my sweet, after all. We need another shaker. Here we go.
Shake it up, shake it up. 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 Shake your body line.
Get yourself a sturdy rocks glass, another strainer, garnish this up, a couple of cranberries, and then if you have it, a little sprig of rosemary just to fancy it up just a touch. And that's number 2 today, guys, for Valentine's Day. The Valentine hug. One more. Let's get right at it. Let's not waste any time. It's Valentine's Day. We have things to do. You have things to do. We're going out. We're having fun. This is all over the place. This is called a love potion martini. And it starts with, clean this off a little bit, some coconut rum, some peach schnapps, and then some vodka. If you have citron, some kind of citrus vodka, you can use that. I think orange vodka would be fine too, or just plain vodka if you don't have any of the above. And this is one of those instances. Remember, we talked in the bar video. If you need some citrus vodka, you don't want to buy a whole bottle, go out and buy a little nip. Then you have it, and you're good to go. Have it on citron, and then some cranberry juice. I'll just finish that off. Again, we need some ice. We need the lid. We need the band.
Shake it up, shake it up. 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 Shake your body.
Set that off to the side because we need to get our glass ready. It's Valentine's Day, so why not fancy up the glass a little bit? And then you're going to sugar the glass. You could use simple syrup, you could use citrus juice, you could use corn syrup, anything you want. This actually is the liquid from my jar of fancy cherries. So I'm going to use that. It's kind of red, deep red. Then I'm going to sugar my glass. If you had some red sugar, you could put that in there, but I thought this would make it red enough. How festive does that look? Another strainer. It's love after all, so we need a garnish. How about a fresh strawberry? And then I saw this when I looked up the drink, these little cutie little, see that? These cutie little strawberry hearts that you can float right in the drink for your Valentine this year when you serve them a love potion martini. So as you can see, I've cleaned up a little. I've decorated my bar for my drinks to serve to my sweetheart. She's upstairs, but she'll be down for some drinks. And it's Valentine's Day. So even on Valentine's Day, the favorite part of the day is ready, drink. So let's try this raspberry martini first. Again, just vodka. It's a simple drink. Vodka, cranberry juice, little raspberry syrup. Oh, that's lovely. It's like the raspberry syrup just takes over the top raspberry, and there's nothing in there but the raspberry syrup. I debated putting a little raspberry liqueur in there, but it doesn't need it. That takes it home. So let's try this one, since we're on the martini, the love potion martini. Wow, that's good too. They don't have a lot of booze in them. They're light drinks. The kind of drink you could have a drink if you drink it over a long period of time and not have to worry about getting too wired on it. And then finally, this is probably the most alcoholic. Actually, not really. The Valentine hug. This is for the whiskey drinkers. Cheers. Did I say cheers? Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you have a good Valentine's Day with your sweetheart. That's nice too. Wow, these are all good. So there you have it, guys. 3 good drinks, really nice drinks that you can make, simple drinks that you should have pretty much everything you need, that you can serve to your sweetheart on Valentine's Day. Hey guys, thanks for coming to spend a little time with me here at the Grantham Pub Underground. If it's your first time here, welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, so whenever something new comes out, you can check it out and watch it. If you like this kind of stuff, do us a favor. A thumbs up would be great. Like the video, share the video for someone that's looking for some ideas for their Valentine's Day celebration. And that would help us out a lot too. And if you're looking for a gift for your special someone, you might not get it for Valentine's Day, but hey, Grantham Pub underwear merchandise is a great gift that you can give to your favorite pirate to let them know you care about them and you want them to be part of the Grantham Pub. I can hardly say that anymore. That you want them to be part of the Grantham Pub Underground family. We got shirts, hats, glassware, sweatshirts, more stuff coming all the time. A lot of designs, a lot of styles, a lot of colors. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. So check it out and get yourself some cool Grantham Pub Underground merchandise. That's it. I'm out of here. It's Valentine's Day. I'm going to have a good time. And I want you to have a good time. I want you to drink like a pirate with your sweetheart, but please do so responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Have a good time. Come visit us at the bar again. There's always plenty of room. Until I see you then, remember, I'll save a seat at the bar just for you.